Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Sparking Zero game, not saving progress error on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, run the game as administrator. Sometimes, insufficient privileges can prevent the game from saving data. Here's how to ensure that doesn't happen. Right-click on the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero game shortcut. Select Properties from the context menu, and then go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box labeled Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save the settings. Launch the game and try saving your progress again. Next, verify the integrity of game files on Steam. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Right-click on Dragon Ball Sparking Zero and select Properties. Then go to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and replace any corrupted files. Once completed, relaunch the game and check if it saves correctly now. Next, disable antivirus or firewall interference. Sometimes, your antivirus software or firewall may block the game's ability to write save files. Temporarily disable your antivirus software from the system tray. Check if your Windows firewall is blocking the game. Go to Control Panel, System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. After that, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And ensure Dragon Ball Sparking Zero is allowed through both private and public networks. Try saving the game while your antivirus and firewall are off to see if that resolves the issue. Then, check File Permissions for the save folder. If the game doesn't have permission to write in its save directory, it won't save progress. Navigate to the folder where the game saves its files. Right-click the folder and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and under Group or Usernames, click on your username. Ensure that you have full control under the Permissions section. If not, click Edit and check Full Control, then click Apply and OK. Restart the game and see if the problem persists. Next, update the game to the latest version. An outdated version of the game may have bugs or issues that cause the save error. Launch Steam and go to your game library. Right-click on Dragon Ball Sparking Zero and select Properties. Go to the Updates tab and make sure Always Keep This Game Up to Date is selected. If an update is available, it will start downloading automatically. After updating, relaunch the game and check if it now saves progress. Finally, check for Windows and graphics driver updates. Outdated Windows or graphics drivers can cause compatibility issues with saving game progress. Press the Windows key and type Check for Updates to open Windows Update Settings. Click on Check for Updates and install any pending updates. Also, update your graphics drivers by visiting the official website of your graphics card. After updating, restart your PC and try saving the game again. So that's basically how you can fix Sparking Zero game, not saving progress error on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.